Well guys, crash number 10 with the DJI Mini SE. Yeah, okay, I'm not the best drone pilot, but it's more about I just want to fly rather than be worried about crashing. But after well more than a year of owning the DJI Mini SE, what is the aspect that frustrates me the most? Can you guess? Yeah, you got it. It's not the quick shots, it's not the absence of tracking, it's not the resolution in the video. Sure, I'd like raw photos. It's not any of those things. The one thing that frustrates me the most is the range. Look, I thought that 4Ks would be plenty, but it never gets anywhere near that. You look in this situation here, I'm only 236 meters away, and the drone is returning to home. I had no idea where it was. It landed on the awning, hooked on the gutter, and crashed to the concrete. Well, everything was fine. I just picked it up and sent it straight back up. But yeah, after a year with the DJI Mini SE, I just wish the range would be greater. I wish it would be somewhere near to where it was advertised, where the marketing said it would get to, of course in ideal flying conditions. But look at this, guys. What could be more ideal? Seriously. And for the drone to lose connection and return to home at only 236 meters, well, I'll let you be the judge. Yeah, I like the idea of having an inexpensive drone because it doesn't cost me so much to crash, especially 10 times. But I would like more range.